Hi and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to talk about an attribute that is the data attribute. So this one's a little bit different. It's used for sort of hiding data within an HTML element that you might use in JavaScript, for example, or for other purposes. Like if you're inputting a form, this can be used. Actually, you probably almost exclusively use it with JavaScript type stuff, but so if we have data, and then we'll do a hyphen, we can name this data anything we want, say data description, and then we can write here, this is a paragraph about stuff, and then if we wanted say something else, data author, this is, let me just put me actually. As you notice, you can't really see anything here, right? So this data just sort of sits there. We could access this with JavaScript if we use the JavaScript event and say on click equals window dot alert, and then we'll say this dot data set dot, let's do author, and then when I click it, it'll tell you the author. So you can access these data elements with JavaScript, and you can sort of hide data that would be associated with the element with these attributes. And you can add any data you want. So as long as it begins with data and then a hyphen, you can add any sort of alphanumeric information or name identifier right here, and then add the information in. So it's pretty handy and pretty versatile.